Good evening to YouTube. Talkie Designs here with a short, very short video, just to show you guys my dilemma right now. You ever took a bite of a whole dumpling and after about 2 bites or chews, you reach for a glass of water because you realize you had too much to chew and swallow? That's my feeling right now. I'm gonna chew it and swallow it. It's my dumpling, but hey, here's my problem, guys. That is what I'm dealing with. If I can get down in there real good. Oh, let me make some adjustments so I can show you guys exactly what's going on. That right there, my friends. I didn't think it was that bad. That, yep, that's my dumpling. I have this donor piece here that I'm going to use, but I got to get a welder over here to assess, give me an estimate, and go from there. That pretty much got the whole side cleaned off. Got to get an evap guy here too to drain the system. But other than that, that's what's left. I was gonna get some relocation lines for this bad boy, make it all nice and pretty. Now I gotta deal with that. And then there's wires. Whew. I don't want to, but I might have to cut this to get it out of the way so I can prep the engine bay and then solder everything back when I'm done. But yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. Oh, I gotta show you guys something. Hold on. Get this. Blade. So, got a package today, and I know what's in there. But let me go to pull it out, show you guys. Oh my gosh. This might be a little bit bigger than what I need it for. But this, if you don't know, guys, is a wastegate. And I have a strong feeling this is a 44 instead of a 38. But take it to the experts, let them tell me exactly what it is, and hey, got me a wastegate with a dump tube. And I got this from Calvin. If you guys haven't seen his videos, you should definitely check him out on YouTube. It's Calvin's Garage. Got a lot of videos out there, a lot of DIY. I'm not gonna say like I do, because I put out a video like once every 5 months, and then recently every day. But yeah, he's been putting out videos every 4 days, you know, every week. But yeah, definitely check out his channel, Calvin's Garage. You gotta check him out. Working on some awesome cars. He has an S13, same color as mine, but he just wrapped it. He just got a 300Z. He's working on a monster S14 So you guys should definitely check him out. But got my wastegate nice and shiny. So one more step towards the turbo build. I'm gonna go and stick this in the car. I'm gonna complain and vent for a little bit. eBay sucks. I'm just gonna say it. They suck. So I had a spare set of fenders, Sylvia fenders. Put them on eBay for $250. Somebody wanted to purchase them. Right, shipping's gonna be high. Put the dimensions and the weight into the eBay app. The guy purchases them, comes back $290. I was like, something's not right, but I don't know. Went up to UPS to ship it off. $100+. And guess whose fault it was? Mine. eBay will have no part of it. It's not their fault. Nah, it's fine. So I think I'm just gonna Craigslist and Buku from now on. eBay can, you know what I'm saying? They can do that. Now I'm done. Usually you get screwed out of $10, 15, but 100+? That screwed up my whole welding job for what I need done on the car, which you're gonna see at the end of this video. But it's cool. But anyway, I want to show you guys. Wind's done. Ready for primer. And once I clean these up, get it primed, we'll be ready. All right. But yeah, let me get back to work. Jump back in there, see what else I can pull out. All right. Stay tuned. So I don't think I'll be touching the dashboard. The rear valance I might get to, but right now the focus is that I already got the motor out, stripped everything down, so ain't no choice right now. You gotta keep going. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully I can get this thing done. It's not so much an update per se. Might be the progress. Yesterday was put me at day 25. Yeah, yesterday put me at day 25. So if I'm counting correctly, this is day 26. And that's where I'm at. I've got to 64, so you never know. Might get somebody on Craigslist answer my ad about a mobile welder. Come give me an estimate and see what the damage is. Get that done. But other than that, hey, that's it. Short little update. Or just to bring you guys up to speed. Yeah, update. But anyway, have a good night. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. And thank you for watching.